Hi, welcome to Samaguru. Today we are going to study somewhat tricky problem related to resistances. Delta to star model. This is that. Current comes here, passes through 2 and 4 ohms and reaches to 3 ohms and like this, and there is a bridge between the two. Here P by Q is equal to R by S formula couldn't be applied over there because 2 by 3 is not equal to 4 by 3. So current passes through this. So how to do such these problems? Then we have to recall the formula, that is nothing but delta to star model. That could be applicable here. What is delta and how we could convert that one into star? We are going to study. See, this is, I would like to take A, B, C, D junctions. First I would like to elevate this AB. And here we have this one and this one. Make it as R1, R2 and R3. Let it be. Now this whatever delta is there could be converted into star like this here. This is star. How to convert a delta into star? This is RA, RB and RC. How could you get RA? RA is nothing but this is in between R1 and R2, no? Multiple R1 and R2 divided by full length. This is the formula. You want RB? RB multiple R1, R3 divided by sum. You want RC? RC is in between R2 and R3 now. R2, R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that whatever the triangle is there is simply converted into star. Here RA. Apply the values of 3, 3 and 3 here. So what happens? R1, R2, 3 and 3. 3 3s are R1 plus R2 plus R3. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 9 by 9, 1 ohm. That means this is 1 ohm. Same could be applicable. 3 into 3 by 3 plus 3 plus 3, 1. 3 into 3 by 3 plus 3 plus 3, 1. That means the star has the value of what you call it as 1, 1 and 1. Now I would like to redraw this diagram like this. See, current comes here. It goes like this. This is 2 ohms. This is 4 ohms. No change in that. But whatever that A, B, C delta is there now, that I would like to redraw with star. Like this. Hope you understand. This is RA. This is RB. And whatever it is there, that is RC. Hope you get a clarity now. The current comes here, separates here and reaches over there. This is point P, this is point Q. Now you could easily do that. 2 ohms and RA. What is RA value? 1 ohm. Here it is 1 ohm. What is RB? 1 ohm. What is RC? 1 ohm. That means 2 and 1, these two are in series. So this is 3 ohms. 4 and 1, 5 ohms. These two are in series. Now the 3 and 5 both are in parallel. That is series with that 1 ohm. This we could drawn like this. A simple way of expression now. A simple way we could. This is P, this is Q. 2 plus 1, 3 ohms. 4 plus 1, 5 ohms. This is connected to 1 ohm. As these two are in what you call it as parallel, Rp is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. 3 into 5 by 3 plus 5. 15 by 8. 1s and 8s approximately. This 1.8 is series to 1. Then R series is equal to 1.8 plus 1. Answer 2.8 ohms approximately. This is a model related to delta to star. There are certain problems where the junction is not balanced. The junction is balanced, P by Q is equal to R by S, and that junction resistance could be eliminated. But in these cases, we have to go through like this. It's a very good model. Practice number of sums based on this delta to star. Hope you understand. Best of luck. Thank you.